words are spoken for.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. If this is your first video of mine, hello, my name is Sister Lonyea and in this video we are going to be doing our fourth look using the James Charles Unleash Your Inner Artist eyeshadow palette. Now, it's Wednesday and tomorrow is Thanksgiving, and I wanted, although I'm getting this up filmed pretty late, it's already 1, so I probably won't get it done and up until about 7, so you'll probably be seeing this at about 7, so good evening. But I wanted to do a Thanksgiving kind of look, you know, to get glam, to go to your couch, because if you're anything like me, at least when I was back in high school, early 20s, I'm still in my early 20s, but still, like, I was always like doing my makeup, getting really glam for Thanksgiving, and now I could care the fuck less for holidays. Like, I am there for the food, but everything else, I'm just like, hi, why am I here? Like, you know what I mean? So I don't wear makeup, and if I do like a really natural face for Thanksgiving and Christmas and, you know, Easter, any type of holiday. But I used to like go all the fuck out, like matching outfit, jeans, scarf, cardigan, tank top, little flats. Like, I used to be like decked the fuck out just to go to my great grandma's house, who lived like right across the alley from me. So if you're one of those people, this look is for you. If you're not and you're anything like me and you're just gonna go bare and you're watching the video, thank you so much. But I'm just gonna take my MAC Pro Longer concealer. As you can see, I have some swatches here because I'm trying to get like a lip option. I wanted to do brown, but I don't know what kind of, how deep I want to go. But anyways, I'm just going to use my MAC Pro Longer concealer to prime, and then we are going to get started on the eyes. Okay, you guys, so the first shade I'm going to go in with is Code James right here in the middle. Nothing new. I've been using this relentlessly in every single look. I just love this shade. I'm going to use a JH30 brush and work this into my crease. And the reason that I'm behind today, I wouldn't say behind, so last night, I decided that I needed a new phone because I've had the iPhone 6s literally since it came out. So I've been holding on to that for like the last like 4 years, and I haven't been upgrading because it's been working pretty fine. But lately it's been messing up. Like, sounds really fuzzy on Instagram, and I can't really do like Instagram takeovers if I'm using my phone because I don't have like an iPad or anything like that, and it just doesn't sound good. So I decided that today I was gonna go and get a new phone. So I actually was looking it up last night, and I was like, no, I don't want to wait for shipping, so let me just go into the store. And I went to the store at about 10 something because I woke up literally when Jack got up at 8, went pee, and usually that's my routine. I'll wake up when he wakes up, go pee, get back in the bed, and go to sleep. But today that was just on my mind. You know how your brain is awake but your body is like dragging tired? That was me today. So my body was like so over it, but my brain was like, hello, hi, I'm here. So 1 second. I think I'm gonna go in with, see, I don't really like the shade T because it's kind of like cool tone, but I don't really like the shade No Beans because it's a little more berry maroon. So I think I'm gonna go in with T, the brown. So anyways, back to my little story. So my brain was awake, and like I kept thinking about it, and I'm like, you need to get this done, you need to get this done. So my sister, my cousin, and myself went, I'm using a Morphe M433 brush. We went to the store just to kind of see, you know, what they were talking about. We went to AT&T because I have T-Mobile, and I've been wanting to switch from T-Mobile because they just didn't do me right. Like, I don't know, they just I didn't like it. Like, I liked the brand and what they were doing with everything, but I felt like it was time for me to go back to AT&T because I had AT&T with my grandma in high school, and then when I graduated, I went to T-Mobile. So anyways, went to AT&T, and he got me set up right away, like right the fuck away. Like, it was no hassle at all, and I only had to pay the taxes because my what is it called? My credit was decent. Still working on that. But it was good enough to where I didn't have to put anything down, so happy about that. So I just had to pay monthly. So that was my morning, and then I'm like, okay, I got home and I like wanted to just sit here and fiddle with my phone. I got the iPhone, What the hell? What number is that? Oh, I got the iPhone XS. Then I got the case and the popper socket thing, but it's just really cool. It's got like facial recognition, all of that. But I knew I needed to get a case, you guys, because like your girl drops her phone like every day, like literally every day. So that is what I was doing today, in case you guys were wondering. But I'm just working this brown into the crease. I think I'm gonna take a little bit of No Beans because it's a little bit warmer of a brown right here, No Beans. And just take that on the same brush, just like a smidge, and place that right at the top. So that way there's kind of like a light merge between No Beans and tea and Code James. But I am going to deepen and darken this up. So I'm going to use the same Makeup Geek brush, the Defined Crease brush, and go in with some black. The black is called Spooky. Right there. And I'm going to take that into the outer V and into the crease. I'm not going to go as far in, but I do want to keep this like out here. I'm just praying that the black in this palette doesn't break, because all of the blacks in my Morphe palettes always break. I will be cutting the crease with this. My neighbors next door's music is so loud. I always go over there and like knock on the door, and I'm like, hi, I'm working next door. Could you please turn down your music? Thank you so much. Like, I try not to be like rude, but I'm like, hi, can you turn down your music? Like, Jesus, guy. You're not the only one that lives in this apartment complex. And they play like classic rock, which no problem with me. Love classic rock. But like, I don't want to listen to it every day, all day, especially while I'm working. So I will go into my living room and my dining room. Our dining rooms meet. So the dining room and the kitchen shares my bedroom. So this wall, the bathroom, the dining room, and the kitchen all share a wall. And I'll just go into the kitchen and the dining room and just turn on my speaker and just blast my music until they turn it down. And then we just settle it that way, or until they leave. Like, I think they go to like work or something, maybe. Okay, so now we're going to cut the crease using my MAC Pro Longwear concealer again. I'm like running out of this so bad. And I'm gonna use my concealer brush from I almost said Dos Amigos, which is a Hispanic restaurant here. From Dose of Colors. Okay, so so the shimmers in this palette, I don't know if it's just my palette, but they aren't the Morphe 3502 palette has really good shimmers, and like I really like the formula of those shimmers, but I don't feel like the shimmers in this palette are that great. So some of you guys have been commenting and telling me to use a glitter primer, so that is what I have on my hand right now, and I'm going to pack this over where I applied the concealer, and I'm using this Pretty Bar brush. It's like a flat, fluffy kind of eyeshadow brush. And I'm gonna pack that all over. And then I'm going to do like an ombre type of look. So first I'm gonna go in with wig right here. It's like a gold. And I'm gonna place that into the outer edge first. Okay, so that glitter primer definitely did that, because this is definitely pigmented as opposed to the swatch that I did, and maybe it was like the first layer of it. I don't know, but this is definitely that girl, this wig color. It's really nice. Oh yeah. Okay, so next I'm going to take this shade So Good right here. It's like a champagne kind of color. Flip that brush over and use that for the inner corner. Ooh, yeah. Oh, this is giving me all types of Thanksgiving vibes. And then I'm just gonna fade the two together. And how I do that is like a swiping motion right over wig with So Good. So that glitter primer definitely helps. You guys are so smart. Oh my gosh, you guys are so smart. Like, I honestly probably would have just like not have been happy, but the glitter primer definitely helps. Okay, so to switch it up, I'm gonna take this shade called Rodeo, and I think what I'm gonna do is like do like a lip color kind of similar to it, so it like ties in the whole thing, because I don't want to be basic and do black. So I'm gonna use Rodeo from Dose of Colors with an angled liner brush. And this had better be cute or I'm gonna be pissed, because I'm always trying to do something. I'm always trying to be extra. Okay, you guys, so that's pretty much it for this eye look. I am going to use the Lashes Dream Catcher or Dream Chaser from More Lashes by Tiffany. They're really, really, really long, really light and fluffy. So I'm gonna put those on, do the other eye, and then come back when I'm done for the lips. And I think I might do the lower lash line. I might like smoke it out or something, or you know, I don't know. Okay, so while my lashes are drying, I figured I'd go ahead and do the lower lash line, and I think I might just do black. And this is a Rimmel London Scandal Eyes. As you guys can see, I fucked up my cut crease over there again. Nothing new, as we know, I suck at cut creases. But this is just gonna go in my waterline, so we're kind of gonna do a little bit of a smoke down here. And then for the smoke, I'm gonna take the shade T again. I think that was the shade. And just take the M433 and put that on the lower lash line. I'm not being too like careful with it, kind of being a little sloppy. Okay, and then I'm going to take another E15 flat definer brush with more of the black shade. Or this is a Morphe M432 actually. This is just going to go right onto my lash line. So my line out here has gotten a little diffused, so I'm just going to take a little more just to sharpen it up, sharpen the color up. And before lips, I'm going to use my NYX Dewy Finish Spray just to set everything. Alright, now I'm going to take a little bit of Ring Light, which is the lightest shimmery shade, and pop that into the inner corner. Just for the final touch. Okay, you guys, so for lips, I am first going to line my lips with my Clean Color Lip Liner in Chestnut. Nothing new. And then for lips, I am going to go in with the shade, oh my gosh, I don't know what shade this is. I think it's Knock on Wood by Dose of Colors. Or Saddle, maybe? I'm not sure. I think it's like Knock on Wood or something. But this is going to go all over my lips. And I could leave it like this because of the darker brown lip liner, but I think I might apply a little bit of a lighter nude with it too. Yeah, this is cute. Oh, should I leave it like this? So the other color I have is Catching Feelings. And I think I might put just a tiny bit. It's cute. It made it a little less like orangey. Okay guys, so that is the end of my sister Soleil. I am loving, loving, loving this look. It is perfect just to go sit on your living room couch and max some food. As long as your face is beat, that's all that matters. You know what I mean? Like me, I wear like sweatpants. I wear like the pullovers hoodie that I had on, or it wasn't a hoodie, it was like a crew neck. Like that is my style when I'm going like to my family's house for the holiday. But if you're gonna beat your face, you definitely want to go this way. I definitely am like super obsessed, besides me fucking up the line right there. But I think it looks good. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below. Have you guys gotten this palette? If you have, please tag me in any recreations on Instagram. Even if you just use looks using this palette, I would love to see them. Just shoot me some tags. All my socials are right here. Yeah, usually it's right here. So just let me know. I would love to see them. I think that's super exciting. Yeah, I think that's all I have, you guys. I think that's it. I'm just like, yes, glowy, bronzy, golden, whatever this brown kind of color. It's just Thanksgiving in a nutshell. Yes. But I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.